Hi, today we are going to do the tomato, carrot and zucchini soup. And to do this, we need 2 tomatoes, 1/2 zucchini, 1 small carrot, some paneer grated, little cream, 1 green chili, salt and pepper. I have diced the tomato, carrot, zucchini, and I've also put the green chilies in it. Now I'm going to put this in the pressure cooker and cook it for 3 whistles. If you're doing it directly without the pressure cooker, just cook it till it is fully cooked. Okay, this is now well cooked. I'm going to use a hand blender to make it into a soup. Soup is now done. I'm going to add the cream and the grated paneer, and it's ready to have. I've now added the cream, the grated paneer, salt and pepper, and it's ready to serve. It looks so yummy. I cannot wait to have it. This is the tomato, carrot, zucchini soup. Please try it out and let me know your comments. Thanks for watching Hayes Kitchen. If you like it, please click the button like and subscribe to my channel. Thank you. Now we are going to do a nice hot sandwich to have with this soup. And to do this, I have used eggplant, zucchini, avocado, carrot and paneer. So you can saute the eggplant and zucchini with rosemary and basil, salt and pepper. Just saute them for a little while. It shouldn't be fully cooked. It should be nice and crispy. And you can use the avocado as a spread, or you can use it as pieces, and some grated carrot, and you can use any type of cheese. If you want, you can add some more salt and pepper, and the sandwich is done. So enjoy the sandwich. Thank you.